Here comes Merle. Hey, Merle. Hey, Merle. Come on, buddy. Come on up. Got some bread for you. Come on. Yes, indeed. Merle's gonna fly on up. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Good job, Merle. Come on over. There you go. Come on, Merle. Got some bread for you. Buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on, Merle. Come on, Merle. We got some food for you. Yummy. There you go. All right. Hard to beat that. Some delicious Cajun Fast Mart. What do you say? What do you say? Man, you look all cleaned up. Someone gave you a bath. Man, oh man, you're looking good, Merle. Yes, you are. You sure are. Hey, Merle. This is your big moment, buddy. What do you have to say? You enjoyed that sandwich from Cajun Fast Mart, didn't you? Man, you are one good-looking duck. Hey, buddy. We got good news. Merle likes oatmeal. Look at that bird go. I left her a big pile of it right here. She can have some more later, but look at that. Merle, you get a little more exercise eating that oatmeal than you do the bread, don't you? I learned that bread is not good for ducks, so we're gonna take care of Merle. Man, she gobbled it up. Hello, Merle. Happy weekend. Let's go catch some fish. Alrighty, buddy. I'm gonna see you after. Way to go. Merle is just pigging out. Way to go, Merle. Way to go, buddy. Way to go, buddy. Yeah. Loves oatmeal. Awesome. Amazing. Hey, buddy. Love that oatmeal, don't you? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. We gotta go home. Gonna see you next time, though. You want to come home, don't you? I wish I could take you. Always fun spending time with Merle out at that fishing hole. Such a cool little duck. And you could see she was really trying to get into that truck at the end and come on home. We caught some good fish, as you can see also. Big trout. Thanks a lot for watching a little different video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again soon with some fishing.